Metamorphosis. The biological process by which an animal physically goes through different forms before it finally becomes adult is called metamorphosis. Life cycle of butterfly. Butterflies and houseflies undergo 4 stages in their life cycle before becoming adults. The stages are: egg stage. First, the female insect lay eggs in clusters. Second, larva stage. The egg hatches into a young one called larva. The larva does not look like adult insect, it looks like a worm. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. Third stage, pupa stage. The larva feeds and grows. It covered itself with a shell called cocoon. This stage is called the pupa stage. Fourth and last stage, adult stage. Inside the pupa, the larva slowly changes into an adult insect which finally comes out the pupa. Life cycle of frog. Amphibians can live on land and as well as in water. Like frog start their life in water. Female frogs lay thousands of eggs at a time. This collection of egg is called as a frog spawn. The egg hatch in water and the baby frogs come out. The baby frogs look like fish and are called tadpoles. Tadpoles have a small tail and can swim in water. They feed on aquatic plants and slowly develop into adult frogs. The tail of tadpoles becomes shorter as they develop and finally it falls out. Tadpoles develop lungs and legs and become an adult frog. While a baby frog spends the early part of its life in water, the adult frog lives mainly on land. Frog thousands of eggs, only a few grow into adult frogs because many of eggs or tadpoles get eaten by birds, fishes or other animals. Life cycle of cockroach. Cockroaches and grasshoppers are insects with 3 stages in their life cycle. The stages are: first, egg stage. The female insect lay eggs. The number of eggs depend on the type of insect. Second, nymph stage. The young one hatches from the egg. This young one looks almost like the adult insect but does not have wings. The young one is called a nymph. Third, adult stage. The nymph sheds its skin or molds several times and grows into an adult insect. Most insects take little or no care of their egg and young ones. Thanks a lot.